let's make छान छान गणपतीची मूर्ती.
So before starting the process of making an Ganpati idol, I found this concrete block and it was amazing, so I started cleaning.
So guys, now we have almost cleaned the space on which we are going to make the idol, and we have the soil which is clean now. Then we have some water. We got some bucket to store some water for molding purpose. Then we have a base plate. So these are the things which we require at this time to make an Ganesh idol. So let's get started. Namaskar. So basically I'm starting with the soil. So I brought this soil for like almost 20 rupees, and in this video we will see how will we make an Ganpati idol within only 20 rupees. So let's get started. Step number 1, we have to clean this soil from wherever we have got this soil. Charan. In Marathi we call this charan. So this is how it looks after cleaning, and you can see how much dust is being collected. So this thing really helps us to keep the soil clean and at the time of molding.
So here I come and sit to get started with the work. Music.